we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. There's a new day that will come again.
Hello, all. A warm welcome to Abode Diaries. There are a few places and things that are not organized properly in my home, and I've been thinking of getting them organized for a long time. Like this bedside table with messy wires and extension cord. For that, I have ordered a wooden wire management box. It's quite big and the lid is also designed so beautifully that can hide the wire extension as well as give an added charm to the area.
'Cause I promise you this. If you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just
Setting up a house is not a one time task. We keep on putting our effort into making our space look well organized and beautiful. As we can't buy all the necessary and decorative items in one go. It takes some time and money also to meet our desires.
there's a new day to get you through your struggles. I will always think of you and me. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night.
These are some toys of my daughter that do not have a proper home. That's why take up a lot of space and also mix into each other. So to keep them segregated and properly, I am using these organizers which I DIYed from milk cartons. For more DIY ideas, you can watch my detailed no cost organizers video. Buying store bought organizers for everything is not always necessary. Sometimes we can repurpose the items and can save some perks. We all use different places in our house for different purposes, basically as per our needs and convenience. For example, I use these bedside tables mostly to keep my daughter's stuff. This way, it is easy for her to grab them without taking anyone's help.
I've been running most of my life, blowing smoke everywhere around. I've been searching, but I can't seem to find.
When you have kids at home, you have a lot of stuff to organize and you can't take it lightly. Otherwise, the whole house will be a mess and clutter in just no time. These little things also need to be arranged very carefully so that we don't miss any. So right now I am reusing this cocoa powder container to keep these colorful beads. These tiny hands are trying to help me out. Well, at least she thinks so. But we moms know the reality, right? And here it goes in the drawer again.
I've been trying to make sense of it all. Looking for
I bought this cute rotating hook that has four claws to hang the items like caps, belts, ties, scarves, etc.
lifetime if you were at sea.
It spins very smoothly to get things hung on it. You can also use it for drying small items like socks, ties, etc.
Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal. Oh, oh.
Hence, it is indeed a multifunctional rotatable organizer which can help us in many ways.
I just wanna hold you for forever.
Before I show you some more items I have recently purchased, please allow me to feed her some fruit, as she wants to spend some time with me.
I would give it all away to do it all again. Make our love a story that would never end.
Nowadays, so many pretty items are available in the market and online as well that we are unable to stop ourselves from buying them. Since I wanted another saucepan in my kitchen, so I thought of getting this heat resistant transparent glass saucepan this time. It came with a glass lid also. Overall, I really like this teapot or saucepan. I also bought this simple and beautiful lamp which is operated by batteries. It looked like a vase to me initially when I saw it. It is important for any place to be organized, but if it is beautifully organized, then it looks even better because that's a reflection of your choice, your interest. So when you see it all the time, whenever you do your work, you feel joyful.
Up the fight, if only just for a bit. There's a new day.
I've been collecting these pretty glass jars for a long time, and now it's time to decorate and organize my space by using them. I wanted to replace these plastic containers which I used to keep dry fruits for daily use with glass ones. And I found this size just perfect to keep dry fruits in them. I know to tackle with the glass or breakable items used daily is a bit challenging, but for the sake of our liking, we can compromise with that, can't we?
비가 내리면
If you like this video, please consider subscribing to Abode Diaries. I shall see you in my next video. Bye.